3 fag 2 food week dog 12 spliff a roll for the day when me feel calm. But if me no feel calm, do the maths real fast. Vibes kitchen and the place where me speak on. Cook give me on any boy. Me can't get the right food no matter how me try. Vibes of the recipe, everything me like. A mad thing when Stella make the fire light. Me pocket fully charged, touch the road our time. Lace up me clocks, food fast, brain paranoid. The YouTube channel active.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video I'm going to try a recipe. Yes, I said try. So in Jamaica we have what we call fricassee chicken, and I've made it before, so if you go on my channel and look up fricassee chicken, then you'll see what I'm talking about. Today I'm going to try to make fricassee salmon. So let's see how that goes. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I have my salmon, already washed it with vinegar. So let's get it. Alright, so I'm actually going to dice these. I saw this somewhere and I figured I would give it a shot. Okay. And this salmon right here, I usually don't buy the one with the skin, but this one came with the skin. My goodness gracious. See all this black stuff on there? Because I had to cut the skin off. So I might have to wash this again because I don't like that. Well, not might. I will. So, vinegar. I'm gonna wash this bad boy again. Alright, there we have it. Washed. So now, I'm just going to season. Alright, so Creole seasoning. As usual. Don't use too much because it is salty. All purpose. Maggi, chicken flavor. Yes, I know. I'll add my Grace all-purpose as well. Garlic powder, onion powder, and Salmon. If you don't say it with the accent, you are wrong. Okay, y'all, so I added all my natural seasonings. I have bell pepper, scallion, onion, thyme, and some habanero pepper. You gotta be gentle, okay? Because it's not chicken. You gotta be gentle. That thing starts tearing apart like paper. Okay, so finally, I need to add my garlic. Alright, so I have my pot. Oil is hot. So right now what I'm going to do is what we call brown the salmon. So we're just going to fry it until it's brown. Ensure your oil is really hot because it's salmon. You don't want it to take 10 years to fry, because if it does, then it's going to overcook. So you want to fry it as fast as possible. Alright, so this one right here, done. Next step, remove the oil, but leave a small amount in the pot so you can saute the natural seasonings. Okay, so now I'm going to add some water and allow the seasonings to cook. Now I'm going to add some powdered seasonings, Maggi all-purpose, Maggi season up chicken flavor, Creole seasoning, like I told you when I was seasoning it, Salmon, fish and meat sauce, a small amount, Scotch bonnet pepper, and some browning. From here you can taste and add more powder seasoning as you see fit. I'm going to add some Capital City Mambo sauce, just barbecue sauce, and it's optional. And then I'm going to add some ketchup. Okay, so once the liquid is reduced to the point where it's thick like this, then you're going to go ahead and add the salmon back to the pot. Well, I'm telling you, this tastes amazing right here. You gotta give it a try. Look at that.
Right, Vibes Kitchen are the place where me there now. We get the nicest food when the fire out. The pepper hot, God know what a brother.